A reliable drawing tablet can be the artist's most essential tool, bridging the gap between imagination and creation with precision and fluidity. As technology continues to advance, the market is flooded with a myriad of options, making it challenging to pinpoint the best drawing tablet for your artistic endeavors. Whether you're a professional illustrator, a budding graphic designer, or a passionate hobbyist, the right drawing tablet can significantly enhance your creative process. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 drawing tablets that have garnered acclaim for their exceptional features, user-friendly interfaces, and cutting-edge technologies. From pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition to ergonomic design and intuitive controls, these tablets have set the standard for digital artistry. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Wacom Intuos Pro Drawing Tablet. Before we get started, let's talk about why the Wacom Intuos Pro is the go-to choice for artists. This sleek, sophisticated tablet offers a seamless blend of precision and control, giving you the ultimate creative experience. The Wacom Intuos Pro Small measures 0.3 by 10.6 by 6.7 inches, almost the same size as a 9.7-inch iPad. But trust me, it packs a punch for all your creative endeavors. One of the standout features is the column of 6 programmable express key buttons. These keys are your shortcuts to creativity, allowing you to customize and streamline your workflow. Need quick access to settings, pen properties, or touch properties? Just a click away. And the express keys are not alone. They're accompanied by a touch ring control. Whether you're zooming into a detailed photo or scrolling through a web page, the circular control adds a touch of magic to your creative process. Navigation becomes a breeze with default mapping of express keys to Shift, Scroll, Alt, and Pan, Scroll. And to make your life even easier, there's a toggle switch for enabling or disabling multi-touch functionality. Seamless creative control at your fingertips. Let's not forget the Wacom Desktop Center, your command center for device management. Keep track of your Wacom devices, access a wide range of settings, and even explore the Wacom Store for additional resources. It's the hub of creativity in the digital realm. Wacom has you covered with easy-to-follow diagrams on using the stand. Plus, the stand is a convenient home for both the nibs and a tool for extracting them. And speaking of surfaces, Wacom provides rough, standard, and smooth texture sheets that stick to the tablet work area. Number 4. Wacom Cintiq 22 Drawing Tablet. Meet the Wacom Cintiq 22, a new class of creative pen display that's set to elevate your artistic journey. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting, this is the drawing tablet you've been waiting for. First off, let's talk about responsiveness. The Wacom Pro Pen 2 is super responsive, boasting 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt response, and virtually lag-free tracking. It's like having a digital extension of your hand. And check this out, 2 customizable switches right on the pen for quick access to your favorite shortcuts. Efficiency at your fingertips. The Cintiq 22 is designed with your comfort in mind. The foldable legs easily adjust to a 19 incline in seconds, providing the perfect drawing angle. Plus, the included stand allows you to customize your working position for complete comfort during those long creative sessions. But what truly sets the Wacom Cintiq 22 apart is its industry-leading color displays. The LCD display with HD resolution delivers uniform brightness, high resolution, and true-to-life color quality. Your creations will come to life like never before. With relaxed parallax and the super responsive Wacom Pro Pen 2, creating on the Cintiq 22 feels as natural as drawing on paper. It's a seamless transition from traditional to digital art. And for the practical minds out there, this drawing tablet is made with durable, scratch-resistant materials and high-quality components. The Wacom Cintiq is not just a tool for your first project. It's a reliable companion for all your creative endeavors. Number 3. Simbans PicassoTab X Drawing Tablet. We're diving into the world of Simbans with their incredible PicassoTab X Drawing Tablet, the all-in-one package that's about to revolutionize your creative journey. What makes the PicassoTab X stand out? Well, let me break it down for you. When you get your hands on a PicassoTab, it's not just a tablet, it's an experience. The all-in-one package comes fully loaded with all the accessories you need to unlock this device's full potential. Whether you're an aspiring artist or a student taking notes in class, the PicassoTab X is your go-to companion. With a pen and pre-installed drawing and animation apps, it's the most affordable art tablet that ensures you can draw, create animations, or simply jot down your ideas effortlessly. Now, let's talk about a game-changer palm rejection technology. Say goodbye to the frustration of accidental strokes. The PicassoTab X ensures that only your intentional strokes are captured, making your creative process smoother and more enjoyable. That's not all. Get ready for a crystal-clear visual feast. The high-power MediaTek quad-core processor boosts multitasking abilities. The IPS HD screen resolution delivers stunning visuals, and the 64 GB disk space allows you to download thousands of apps from the Play Store. Here's the game changer for those on the move. Connect your PicassoTab to your home Wi-Fi, and your entertainment goes wherever you do. Plus, with the micro HDMI port, you can even link it to your TV for a larger-than-life experience, perfect for Netflix, gaming, and internet browsing. And with GPS and a USB Type-C port, you've got all the connectivity options you need. Number 2. Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 Drawing Tablet. First off, feast your eyes on this breathtaking 23.6-inch touchscreen display. It's not just big, it's 4K, offering you an immersive visual experience where every detail of your creation comes to life with pinpoint accuracy. And speaking of details, say goodbye to color compromises. With 99% Adobe RGB and 97% sRGB color performance, plus a whopping 1.7 billion colors at your disposal, your creations will be as vibrant and accurate as your imagination. The Cintiq Pro 24 includes the Wacom Pro Pen 2, featuring tilt recognition and an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. It's like having a digital extension of your hand. Ever experienced parallax, that frustrating disconnect between where you think the cursor is and where it actually is? Wacom's optical bonding eliminates that, mimicking the precision and feel of pen and paper. Your digital canvas just got a whole lot more intuitive. Multi-touch gestures, an on-screen keypad, and radial menus. Wacom thought of everything to make your creative process seamless. And check this out, the Express Key remote for one-touch shortcuts. Efficiency at your fingertips. Whether you prefer it at the rear edge for a spacious canvas or top right for a cozy setup, the Cintiq Pro 24 gives you flexibility without compromising on screen size. Your workspace, your rules. Let's talk about the most natural pen experience. Creating directly on the screen means no more searching for reference images or juggling between programs on a secondary screen. It's like having a canvas right in front of you. Number 1. XP Pen Artist24 Pro Drawing Tablet. A massive 23.8-inch display with a stunning 2.5 GHz resolution of 2560 x 1440. The Artist24 Pro provides an expansive canvas, delivering realistic and vivid colors with astonishing nuance and incredible detail. It's not just a drawing tablet, it's a masterpiece waiting to happen. The Artist24 Pro supports a USB-C to USB-C connection, eliminating the need for pesky adapters. Whether you're rocking an iMac, MacBook Pro, or a Windows computer, seamless integration is the name of the game. The XP Pen Artist Display 24 Pro boasts a 90% Adobe RGB color gamut, elevating your creativity with brilliant colors and blazing graphics. Your drawings, designs, and creations will pop like never before on this strikingly large, immersive display. The Artist24 Pro enhances your workflow with 2 easy-to-control red dial wheels and 20 customizable shortcut keys. Whether you're left or right-handed, this tablet's got you covered. Plus, the adjustable stand lets you find the perfect angle, making your creative process a breeze. Compatibility matters, and the Artist24 Pro delivers. It supports Windows and Mac OS. And here's the best part, it plays nice with popular digital art software. You can even apply for Artist24, Open Canvas, and Cartoon Animator for pipeline drawing programs through XP Pen. So, artists, are you ready to take your creations to the next level? The XP Pen Artist24 Pro is your gateway to a world of limitless possibilities. Don't miss out on this drawing tablet revolution. That's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.